Hello, everyone. Today is Monday, March 23rd. I just wanted to share a quick video with a little bit of updates. I'm not sure if I really have any updates, but just a quick video just to check in with the staff. I want to first start by wishing everyone well. I hope that you are staying healthy, staying safe, and practicing the social distancing as well as physical distancing that is being asked through the state guidelines, the national guidelines. I also want to take this time to thank all of the staff who have just been working incredibly creatively and diligent for our students, our families, for each other. It's been really fun watching the creativity that's happening in our building, and I am looking forward to more and more things to come that will be shared for our families. There are no updates at this time regarding any of the requirements for salaried employees. However, I've been thinking about how we can use this time in a productive manner, in a healthy manner, in a manner that will allow us to make forward progress even though we're not in school at this time. I plan on setting up Zoom meetings for in each group, such as for teachers, for 3-year-old team, 4-year-old team, itinerant specialists, our OTs and PTs, as well as the speech and language pathologists, and paraeducators, child find, and checking in weekly, just as a way to show that we are staying connected, that we are still being doing our professional responsibilities, although this is really an unprecedented, uncharted time in our country. So I am going to be sending out a form soon to just get some input to see what time of day may be best for you to connect. Again, this is not required. However, I think it would be wise if everyone participate, just to make sure that we are doing what we can do, as we are still being paid as salaried employees. And we want to just make sure that the work that we are doing is having an impact and being creative again with what's going on. So I'll be setting those up, and I want to do it as often as possible, gathering ideas, planning ahead, and just making the best out of this really, really difficult situation that's happening across this state, across the United States, across the world. Again, I would just want to wish everybody well, and I want you to stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of your families, practice what we left off with, finding ways to spiral up, because these are really some different times. So spiral up, do some spiral up activities, do some things to just get yourself, your physical self well, your mental health well, your emotional health well, anything that will have you being at your best when we return. Take care, everyone.